nice to see you. I hope that today we are going to have dinner. Oh, you can sit over here. Yeah. Come on, over here. Don't worry. I need 5 students here. Like this. Oh, we do have the chair. Take it away. We do have a chair. Okay. Don't worry. It's everything okay. So, I'm Gulnara Bakanova. Hello, I need your attention. Please give me your attention. I'm Gulnara Bakanova and I'm going to teach you today 25 minutes. Okay? So, first of all, I want to say that you have a small card that you entered and took. Okay? So, what do you have? What is that in your cards? What is this? Yes, good. So this is a sword. Okay. What do you have? Articles. Articles. Good job. What kind of articles?
A, and that.
Okay. Do you know anything about this article?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, I'm sure that you have. Or
Horse.
Okay. Mostly you have a horse. Yeah. Don't worry. That's okay. Well, and my first question is, how do you think? Why did I choose those cards? How do you think? Maybe you have some ideas. It's not about just by chance. I did it in advance. Okay? So, any ideas? How do you think? So they have a sword.
Maybe your school has seen that on the pictures?
Okay. Any ideas? Come on, ladies. Don't worry. Any ideas? No? The horse?
Maybe it's more about history, because we got
Okay.
memoirs.
Very good job. Perhaps it is a history. Okay. And the horse, what does it mean?
Biology.
Okay, something between biology or history or something. As you said, so this is revolution, and there is a sword, and everything we are going to revise articles. Okay? I hope that you know them. Well, and then for revising articles, I want you to make some tasks, okay? Well, let's see. Here is the task. Okay. So, I want you to take any of these. For example, 2,200 songs. Okay? And this is task for a grandma. Okay? So let's choose any of you. I want you to be very active. Okay? You can say, I choose A for 400. Okay, don't worry. Anybody?
I choose A 400.
400. Okay. So I want you to put the article here.
We don't know whether teacher role of Finland was a good people.
Okay, so you didn't put anything over here? And?
I choose A.
Okay. Let's see. So this is B and A. So sorry. Okay. Anybody else? Raise your hands. Let's go back there. Okay.
I choose Z for 600.
Z for 600. Right? Okay.
I had some children, but older. The fifth child was the only boy to survive infancy.
Oh, very good. Why did you put B?
Because fifths, this fifth
Okay.
has to be there.
Okay, very good job. So your group has a flag. So let's go to the next one. Anybody else? So actually this is right, correct. Very good. Any of your team, raise your hand. No? Don't want? Come on, be active. Okay, let me show you. Let's go to the very easy one. Okay? So the easiest is very easy. Can anybody say it? Okay? Guys? Girls? Don't worry. Okay, can you read this? Can you read this?
Oliver Cromwell led the people of England in their fight for freedom.
Okay, so you put there. Let's see. So you were right actually. Good job. So that's why I don't work. So you have two 100, and you have 600, right? Well, and one more. Anybody?
And
14?
600. And 600.
8 and
And.
600. Okay.
In 1631, Rundle sold the most of these properties in hunting.
Okay, so you put vehicles, right? No? You can help him. You're one group. You can help each other.
They say that there is
So you put these. Okay, over here you don't need anything. So because it's not an adjective. Okay? So let's try one more time. You can work in a group. Okay? Relax. Okay.
Therefore, 400.
They have 400, right?
Yeah.
Good. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. You can even speak, yeah.
He was born at Shershon in the year 1599, and it was on a large farm that he grew up.
What did you put?
On the
On the, right? Okay. So this is on A. So actually don't worry. There are some mistakes that you really do, but actually in the process of learning English you will probably get the idea how to use it, okay? Well, and then, so thank you so much. For now, I want to see whether you know those words like to lead. How do you think? What can you lead? Do you know this word lead? Do you know this word lead? To lead. Tell me, what can you lead? For example, I can lead a child. What else? Any ideas? Okay, you can lead a dog.
President for
Transpiration.
yes.
Okay, very good job. Okay, any ideas of you? You can lead what? Okay. A horse. You have your horse. Okay, don't worry guys, okay? Well, we can have a special occasion. So the word is occasion, okay? We can have special occasion. What kind of occasion do we have? Occasion. What is occasion? Do you know? Occasion. Do you know this word? Okay, perhaps you. This is kind of revision, you know? So this is occasion. So there can be special occasion. What? No, don't worry. Always quarrel. Do you know what is quarrel?
Yes.
What is this?
It's like fight.
What?
Fight.
Yeah, you can say fight. So, whom you can quarrel with? Okay, you have some ideas? Whom you can quarrel with? Do you quarrel, usually? Okay, with the other people. Okay. Do you quarrel with each other?
Yes.
Okay. Usually. Or all the time?
Zero.
Several times a day?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay. And you are all friends now?
Yes.
But nevertheless you quarrel.
Yeah.
Okay, you like to quarrel. Okay. Some of you. Okay, good. And then, thank you. So that were some new, not new, but the words that you used to learn. Okay? So now, you have some cards on your tables. Yeah. I want you to open them. Yeah. This is for every of you. You can have it. And I want you to write, let's revise grammar again. So this is I want you to put. You can even speak together in order to make a very good answer. Okay. So I am giving you 1 minute. You can speak. You can help each other, or even explain. Is it difficult for you? So. Difficult, no? Okay, it's almost time. Okay. Have you felt this? Okay. Well, I think it's time. So, was it difficult for you? Okay, so tell me, what was the problem with, the problems with using A or the, what's the problem? Using the, okay. Why? You don't know how to use? Well, do we usually use the article the? Do you know?
Like when the thing what is speaking about was repeating.
Okay, when we have the information about something, some object, and then we use the article the, right? So now, please tell me, what did you find here in this kind of text? It is a text. I just divided into sentences and then gave them numbers. Totally, this is a text. So I want you to think carefully and to tell me, who is Oliver Cornwell? Have you ever heard of this guy?
Most of our figure in that.
Okay, very important figure. Okay. Anything else? Anything else you can say about Oliver? Huh? What can you say about him? Does he have a family? Did he have a family? Sorry.
Yes.
Yes, really? Are you sure? Okay. How many children did he have? Okay, there was no information about children. Okay. So, what else can you say about this guy?
That he died on September.
That's
16,
right.
18.
Yes. When? 16, 15, 18?
1658.
Okay, 1658. Anything else? What can you say
He
about...
was born in 1599.
Okay, he was born in 1599. Good. Anything else? So there are a lot of information
And
about...
he grew up in a large farm.
Okay. Is your family large?
His family?
No, I mean yours.
I don't really know. There are five people in my family.
Okay, so your family is quite big. Okay. Any other information about this guy?
He was a powerful figure in English history.
Okay. Okay.
He was from Cromwell family. Cromwell family is the English aristocratic family.
That's right. This is a very important thing. Okay. She. That was her. This is it. Okay. And
His funeral took place at Westminster Abbey.
that's right. So, actually, you found some more information about the person that you have never heard. Yes? Have you ever heard about him before this lesson? Never.
No.
Okay. So, now I'm going to give you a task, like, to read carefully and to make one kind of presentation of this person. Can you do it? But it must be one group presentation. Okay? So, according to your text, so all of you have this text, right? So, and then you have these posters, and I want you to read these and to imagine how can you make the poster very bright. Okay? So for this bright poster, you have only one marker. Okay? So I want you to just draw something or write something, and then one of you goes there and then makes a presentation. Okay? So you must use your texts. Okay? So this time I'm giving you about 3 minutes for this. Even 3 minutes I think is enough. Yeah, just take the information from the text. Okay? You can even draw image of that person. Okay, just use the imagination. You can use lots of information. Just imagine and draw something. It's not about just competition or give the information. Use something that you can say us without you will go out there and tell a stick. And then you can help her. So use your text, okay, to imagine, and then draw something. It's not about just the competition of drawing. It's about the competition of using the poster. You will go right here, and then talk without using these fingers. Just the information must go there. Okay. A very short one. You can help each other. Don't worry. You can write something. For example, you can write over here. Oliver Cromwell. So you can write over here. Let me help you. So Oliver, for example. I don't know. Come on. So the best ones will be, will have it's up to you. So, but you must be very quick. You must be very quick. No, it's not business. It's a presentation. It is a presentation. Choose any person. Oh, now you have some ideas. Okay, good. Is that all of it? I see. Any information, just help her to even draw something. Write something. Just some facts. You don't have much time to draw such things. Yeah, you must write some. Okay, guys, you have less than 1 minute. You must be very quick at preparing. Come on, any words like in your posters? Well, for example, a crown. It's not just a person. It's a crown. Come on, we have about 30 seconds. Yeah. A company means go together. Okay, it's time. Hello, it's time. So I want you to choose any from your group and then make a presentation. Any of you? Okay, so we have the first one, right? The first group to go. Or just make it even. Not the whole text. Okay, so it's time. Let's see your posters. So let's put it right here. So give me your poster. Oh, we don't have much time. I told you to write very fast. Okay, so let me see your poster. So we have the first one. Good. Not bad actually. Okay. And then the next one before it. Okay. Oh, very good. A lot of information I can see. Well, think of the things that you can say. Well, and you can give me your poster too. Come on. So what can we see over here? The red ones are very beautiful. How? So I think that the red ones are ready, yeah? So come on, tell me, what did you write here? Any of you? Come on. Make a presentation. Don't worry, just go, and make a presentation. I will help you. I will help you. So, this is a poster about.
We draw the older brother and his history, life history,
Okay.
and we write about these people, make information, and when he was born and who is he people, and we draw the islands.
Okay. So, don't worry.
This person is Oliver Cromwell with a class.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Anything to say? Okay. What about you? Please.
Okay, how you can see on the picture, Oliver Cromwell, he was born in 1588, and he was born in English aristocratic family, so there is a light
Oh, I see.
under his, yeah, this, I forgot.
Pram.
Pram?
Yes, this is Pram.
Okay, yeah. And he was important person during and after the Civil War, and
Okay.
he had yes, we draw like a fight. It's gun and sword, his sword.
Sword.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
he had special hat with metal inside to protect him during the war.
Do you have such kind of hat?
I
Yeah.
not, but I want to have.
Oh my gosh.
And
Okay.
he got married when he was 21 year old. Two
Yeah.
rings
Yeah.
on the picture. And and he died in 1658. And I think that the last picture is connected with his death.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much. We didn't applaud to you, and then we are applauding right now. Any of you, please?
Oliver Cromwell was an important man. Sometimes he was ruled by the King Charles I, or King James I. And on one of his visits, the King James I was accompanied by his son Charles. So a story tells about two boys, Oliver Cromwell and the Prince Charles. They were fight. They were fought and quarreled. And in his in their battle, Oliver was a winner. So years later, they will fight again. When Oliver Cromwell was a winner again. The statue of Oliver Cromwell stands outside the House of Commons in the United Kingdom.
House of Parliament.
The House of Commons, the
Yes.
House of Commons.
Anything to add? Okay. Thank you so much. So you've got your actually flags. Very good job. So you are excellent, but you are very shy. Don't worry about this. So now, actually, so what did you learn today? You revised some vocabulary. Also, you did what?
We have known some things about the history, about Cromwell, about Oliver Cromwell.
Okay, so you found some information about Oliver Cromwell. Well, thank you so much for the lesson. It is it. So, and right now I wanted to take, while you are leaving the room, I wanted to take these butterflies. There is a kind of a sticker, and I wanted to put over here if you like my lesson, okay? If you didn't like, then you can leave. Just without the butterfly. Thank you so much. Take a butterfly and stick over there. Thank you.
Thank you for the lesson.
Thank you. See you someday.